It is absolutely beautiful today. This is what I want to be doing for a while, is just get away from society, have a little me time, admire nature a little bit. This is the countryside of Indiana. And let me tell you this, folks. Indiana is a very, very beautiful place. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I know, cigarettes are bad. By the way, I just had my 21st birthday. My sister tried to get me drunk, but I guess that didn't work. Hopefully the camera sees me. Probably does. Let's take a moment just to hear the sounds of nature. Stick is in the way. Just enjoying the outdoors of Indiana. By the way, for those of you that are maybe watching this video, this is Big Walnut Creek. But locals call it Shit Creek because this creek is known for people taking a shit and piss in the creek. And you know one thing that really disappoints me? Like whenever I come out here, I'll see trash like not all over the place, but just any type of trash, like empty cigarette cartons, grocery sacks, cups, you name it, beer cans. Nobody respects Mother Nature. And it's a very beautiful day today, and I'm glad I got out of the house for a little bit. Just to enjoy nature for a little bit. Hopefully. Yep. I don't know if you guys can see, but you see where my finger's pointing at? All the junk over there, the trees, leaves, branches. We had a flood here a couple weeks ago. It rained about 3 days straight. 4 inches of rain fell. Yeah, we got it pretty bad here. Not as bad as Missouri did. I think the high is supposed to be like 46 today. It's gonna be a lot colder tomorrow. We're supposed to get some snow moving in this weekend. The GFS model is showing maybe about an inch of snow will fall, but the European model is showing that much of central Indiana could get as much as 1 to 3 inches of snow. I don't know, we just have to wait and see. So yeah, this is Big Walnut Creek. Thought I should make a quick little video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and so that'll be about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, I can't get up.